So your homework for today is mostly going to be on problems from example 3. And this is where we're multiplying by distributing and also multiplying binomials, which we've been talking about in the last couple of sections. So we're going to do example A, and I'm going to do it over here so I have a little bit of room. So what we first do is we're just going to distribute that square root of 5 onto both of those. So all that means is that we're going to have 2 square roots of 5 plus, and this is square root of 15 times 5. Since they are both square roots, we can just multiply them together under the same square root. So that would be 2 square roots of 5 plus square root of 30. Now, since we can't really simplify square root of 30 down, we're not going to have any like terms, so this is going to be our final answer. Now, looking ahead at B, is where we would multiply a binomial. So in this case, we would have to do our box. Where on the top, we're going to have square root of 2 minus square root of 5 and square root of 6 plus 2. And then we multiply box by box. So we have square root of 6 times the square root of 2 would give us a square root of 18. Sorry, that would be square root of 12. Then we have 2 times the square root of 2 would be 2 square roots of 2. And then we have square root of 6 times negative square root of 5 would give us a negative. And then on the inside, we're going to have square root of 30. Then 2 times negative square root of 5 is going to give us negative 2 square root of 5. So in the end, we can't really simplify square root of 30. We can't simplify 2 square roots of 2, and we can't simplify negative 2 square root of 5. The only one we can simplify is the square root of 2. And the square root of 12 would actually be 2 square roots of 3. Now to write out the rest of the answer, all you have to do is put the rest of the terms together. It's 2. So 2 square roots of 5. And there's nothing else that you can combine, so that would be our final answer.